Meathead Movers Review, Usage Experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Meathead Movers is a moving company that caters to those looking for a reliable, efficient, and straightforward moving experience. Specializing in both local and long-distance moves, Meathead Movers stands out for its unique approach, offering services that are designed to make the moving process as stress-free as possible. Their team of trained movers, many of whom are college athletes, provides both strength and professionalism during every move. One of the main features of Meathead Movers is their no-surprise pricing structure. They offer upfront, hourly rates with no hidden fees, giving customers transparency in terms of cost. The company also provides packing, unpacking, and even temporary storage solutions if needed. Meathead Movers has a reputation for careful handling of items, with extra care taken for fragile or valuable possessions, ensuring they arrive at their destination safely. The service is ideal for individuals or families moving locally or across state lines, and the company prides itself on its customer service. Meathead Movers also offers special services for moving high-end items like pianos or hot tubs, making it a solid choice for specialty moves. Customers also appreciate the flexibility of scheduling, as the company offers both full-service and partial moving options. The reviews for Meathead Movers highlight its professionalism, promptness, and well-trained staff. However, it is worth noting that pricing can be on the higher side compared to other moving services, but the quality of service justifies the cost. Overall, if you're looking for a professional, reliable moving service with a strong focus on customer satisfaction, Meathead Movers is a great choice. Check the description for links to more details and feel free to leave your experience in the comments.